Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a voiceover to a video on iPhone step by step. Now, voiceovers are great for explaining the content, narrating the tutorials, or adding the commentary to your videos. So here is how you can do it step by step in your iPhone. So first of all, you need to open the iMovie application of your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the App Store. Now, when you have launched it, simply tap on the option of Start New Project. Among the given options, you just have to tap on the option of Movie. After that, from your gallery, choose the video that you want to add the voiceover to, and then tap on the option of Create Movie in the bottom. Now, in the editing timeline, you just have to scroll to the part of the video where you want your voiceover to start. After that, simply tap on the microphone icon below the video preview, and this will open the voice recording feature inside iMovie. Tap on the record option and you need to simply start speaking. The iMovie is going to record your voice while the video plays so that you can sync your narration with the footage. If you already have the voiceover available on your iPhone, simply tap on the plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of audio, then tap on the option of my music. Now you can look for the file which you want to basically import, and after importing the file, it is going to look something like this. So once you have finished adding your voiceover, simply tap on the done icon here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now your project is completed. You can tap on this play icon in order to basically see how your project looks. If you want to download it, tap on the share icon, then tap on the option of save and share video. So this way you will be able to add the voiceovers to your video on iPhone step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.